There we go. Very thunderstorm warning for Boom.
Storms in the afternoon. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, eastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roscoe to near Davis Junction to near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Holy crap.
Source, radar indicated.
Shoot. 70 mile an hour
Impact,
winds.
expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted
Crap.
include
Hey,
Rockford,
malicious.
Belvedere,
Whoa,
Loves
man.
Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Harvard, Rico, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction, Kirkland, Capron, Kingston, Timberlane, New Milford, Lindenwood, and Monroe Center. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Rivets Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm sorry, but this is going to be my last video tonight. It is 11:14. I am tired. Unless, like, whatever was to happen right now, which I don't think it's going to, I'm not going to try to get anymore. I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm tired. So, but yeah, 71 hour windows.